gratitude to him. So there he is. Good talk.
Mention food, I'm ready.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, well, Bill, I'm famous now. Somewhere. How you doing, Tom? Right over here. Once a year. Once a year.
Master membership once a year.
Just trying to see me too many times.
That's a pretty nice deal, too.
This is something we got to have every year.
I just heard about it last year. It's the first time I ever heard about it.
Actually, well, buddy, how you doing, pal?
A couple interesting guys. Get these guys coming through the door over here.
Party over here.
How are you, Big John? Going down history. Get this politician. Get him on tape.
Oh, is that your
This is
part of your operation here? Do you have to pay for it?
We don't pay Joey.
Kentucky, your mom that plans to buy me drinks and
You could look. You got grounded for the weekend. Oh, he's generally screwing up.
Oh. This normal deal, huh? Yeah.
First time in 8 years.
Anything you want to say for the camera?
Oh, for the camera?
It's going to be on this evening's news.
Oh, I see. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. So here we go again, another cattle call.
That's right, another cattle call.
Right, everybody.
They come around faster and faster, don't
They
they?
certainly do. They do. And we're just sorry Ricky couldn't join us this year.
Look how big these kids are getting. You know, they start out little kids party. Look at them. They're all second, third year college.
You missed that.
Hey, Mark. I guess you just live recording. Yeah, it is. I can see the red light flag.
Tom's old friend.
Yeah, that's good. Let's walk around and talk to people.
All right, come on, we're going to take her home.
Right now with my mouse. Sure, we're having a great time here at Gargiulos. We love it.
Excuse me.
We're just real glad that Tom opens up his house to us every time.
Oh, it's still going.
Something nice.
I've already said something for the record.
Have you? How about you?
Beautiful party.
Good.
I think it's unfair. I've been standing here without food for 2 hours and I finally get something in my mouth to bring the house over. Okay.
We'll go over and get Cindy with a little baby over here. Okay. Well, I'm glad you came.
I'd like to see the ones we got off. Hey, look up, the sun's in my eye. I'll say that.
Well,
He's gonna hang around here until I have to run you off. What?
all right, we got enough for Shank.
I want to know what you do with these things. Do you come back 5 years later and blackmail people?
Well, for one thing, we played it this year to see who came to
Invitation to nations to cut off the list. Because the list is going to
we went down the played the tape and saw who was here and we sent an invitation this time.
I love that, Todd. I think that's great. Yeah.
We felt it. You guys want to say anything for the record?
Thank you for the
That was great. Thank you for the invite. Glad you came.
I'm a 15 guy, yeah.
Put that on the fire engine. He doesn't mean that.
That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Charges number 1. Little party.
That's good.
Geez, I just saw you at a party.
How about it, Gary? You want to say anything?
Great party. Wonderful. Tom's a good host.
Good.
Wonderful.
All right, Gary, let's move around and see what else.
Foster for president.
Could have been done without Donnie.
That's right.
Sits up like parade right here.
Mr. Tom.
He ended up topping in the fire.
Girls, I'll take it some. We're going to be back here.
You can't come, we can afford you.
And you can turn it off anytime.
You're welcome, Lauren. Let's see you in 10 years.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
We went up there for graduation.
Right
You stopped at my house to pick me up, and then we followed you down.
Yeah, we were getting our
So long, Tom.
Did you go over to the party that
Thanks
night?
for a nice party. I gotta get down and see them. Thank you.
I know I'm a movie star.
You're welcome.
I just love being on camera. Hey, moving the party.
Well, the thing is, we have a lot of stuff to drink and come back in a second. Roy, he's a good-looking girl. I don't know how we enjoy this tape. Matter of fact, we went down the tape to see who's
Oh, I see. Everything you're saying.
sound, you get the whole thing.
That's what makes it
And we're going to show you this in about 20 years.
No. I can handle 20 minutes, but I don't know 20 years.
And I'll say, gee, you haven't changed a bit. There you go.
I had to run work.
Yeah, Robert. Gary and I were pledged.
Go film the gorgeous.
How about coming on tomorrow?
Not amazed, but you were
Where's Mr. Cargill? Yeah, we're going over here.
Get you on the call. You can get Alice on tape.
No, I think interview time. It's interview.
We want to see her.
Oh, hi, darling. Thank you very much. So wonderful. Oh,
We'll look at that next week. We want to say anything, so we'll look at this next year. We'll look back and say how it was. Can't you say something? That's good. I like it. Thank you again. Appreciate it. Always good. All the kids together. Yeah, that or they start throwing them for us. Inviting Dad to the party, you know. That's the best way to go. Good to meet you.
Hey, nice.
Take care.
to meet you too.
Take care. Come on, Sonny. Get a picture of me hugging
my love.
Sonny.
Wait. Okay.
He loves that. Try to laugh.
Hey, wait, I want to get your teeth. Let me see your teeth.
Connie!
Yeah.
We
Okay.
want to show you in 20 years how young
Say
you
something. Say something.
That's good, Joey.
Wait, let me get your teeth. Smile. Let me get the teeth. That is cool.
That's good.